Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimi, and for those of you who are new, welcome. So today's video is sponsored by Luvme Hair Company. Thank you so much, Luvme Hair Company, for sponsoring today's video. Guys, I know that I look like I just went to the salon and washed my hair and gave it a little bit of a blow dry, but trust me, this is a wig and I was just blown away. You will see, guys, even when I was installing this wig, you guys, I was just surprised. I was just amazed at how gorgeous and how natural the edges are. Look at that, guys. Look at me. Okay, talk to me nice, because this is my real hair. Okay, and the fact that this wig is glueless, I'm like, baby, of course we are working with Luvme Hair, so what do you expect? We expect quality only. Guys, I'm happy. Guys, like, bandla ngicela ukunicomment nje ukuthi azange sisebenzise glue lana. There is no glue that was used, okay? No glue at all. And this is how gorgeous I am looking. I mean, really I am telling you, I look so good. This is guys, this is absolutely gorgeous. Like, guys, I'm not gonna stop talking because I'm just blown away by this wig and I can't stop touching it. Even the texture of the actual hair, it just feels like my own natural hair, guys. Okay, it feels like my own natural hair. I'm just so happy, you guys. The edges are doing what they're supposed to be doing. So guys, if you are interested in purchasing this gorgeous hair from Luvme Hair Company, please do check the description box for more information and of course for direct links. And guess what? It is Black Friday. What did I just say? It is Black Friday and we have a huge sale. Okay, wait for it. You are going to buy one wig and you're going to get another wig for free, period. So I know that as girls we like free things, okay? So I'm gonna plug you, okay? I have a little tip for you so that you know exactly what to do in order for you to get a free wig. So you're going to go on the Luvme Hair website and you're going to add 2 favorite wigs to your cart and use code BOGO at checkout, which is BOGO at checkout. And there are so many wigs which are on sale, you guys. They've got wigs for beginners which are 25% off. They've got long hair, so you're going to get yourself $80 off on those hair. And they also have undetectable wigs which you are going to get yourself 20% off. So yeah, guys, that is the buy one get one free Black Friday. I'm really excited for us girlies who are obsessed with wigs. Okay, so if you are interested in purchasing, if you are interested in getting that free wig, do check the description box down below. So without any further ado, guys, let's get straight into this kinky wig, baby. Let's get straight into this natural wig, baby. Okay, I'm really excited, guys. I think y'all can see. So yeah, let's get straight into today's video. So I'm quickly going to do an unboxing so that you know exactly what to expect when you buy hair from Luvme Hair. So this is their package, and they were kind enough to send me a scrunchie, an edge brush, a Luvme hair scarf to lay edges, and of course a user's guide on how to take care of your wig. So now I'm really excited about this wig, you guys, because the edges mimic our natural hair, you know, our African natural edges. As y'all can see, my edges are a little bit curly. I will also insert a picture. They actually get really curly. So guys, this wig is a 5x5 lace Afro edge kinky straight. As y'all can see, the edges, let's get in the edges, you guys. They actually mimic our own hair, so I'm really excited to try it on. So let me show you how it looks inside. Oh my goodness, they also gave me an extra band that I'm going to use because this installation process is glueless. So this is the extra wig band that they sent this wig with, and the wig is already bleached. As you all can see, it has 4 combs inside and also these 2 adjustable strips. So this is the kinky wig that we are dealing with today. It is super natural, it is super soft, and as natural as it is, it actually moves. That's one thing that I love about Luvme hair wigs. So as usual guys, this video is self-explanatory, so I'm just gonna let you guys watch and enjoy this installation process. So please do not forget to check the description box for more information, and of course we have a sale. You buy one, you get one for free. All right, like seriously, there is no way you're gonna tell me that you're not gonna check out all the wigs which are on sale. So immediately after you watch this video, please do click the description box guys. Get yourself 2 wigs for the price of 1, period.
Feeling so small, watch the clock ticking off the wall, but tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes.
Do you see how curly the edges are, you guys? So the wig is nice and thick, and the extra band that I attached on to the wig, it actually makes it to be more tight, as you all can see.
I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do.
So I'm happy with that.
So try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine.
The edges, and mind you, this is glueless, so this is super cool. This is really cool. Look at my real edges, guys. This is my real edges, and Luvme hair came through, guys. Like I am obsessed. I'm really obsessed. And the fact that there's no lace here, guys. There is no lace here, but look at that. I'm happy. I'm really happy.
Be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out. So try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me.
I've tried, written down the words to say. It is time.
This is absolutely gorgeous.
To explain how
I can't stop looking at myself, guys. Like, I'm really, really happy. I'm actually blown away.
Got it all figured out. Wanna do this right. There's no doubt in my mind, baby, you're the one. And tonight I am going all the way. The way you touch my hair, it all goes away. The things I planned, the things I would say. Now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you. Ooh, 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 ooh. And all the things that you do. Ooh, ooh. Sounds like a fool, 'cause when you touch my hair, the words goes away. What I am trying to do is say I love you. You don't know how I shiver inside. Doesn't show, but my nerves are inside.
And there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Also, do follow me on Instagram at @curlymemes. Please do not forget to check the sale, baby. The Black Friday sale, the buy one get one for free period. All right, so this is the end of today's video, guys. Until next time, bye bye.
You can take my breath away. Yeah, 'cause when you touch my